Okay, it's about that time. Let's do us a little lot walk. Okay, been trying to wait a little bit, let the lot clear out this morning. I usually get here a little early and do these walk videos, but it seems like everybody's come in today, which is perfectly fine, but I'm gonna try to keep these customers out of the video here. What I do is walk around the lot, show all the new inventory, and we got, I think there's 11 or 12 cars that were posted this morning. So be sure to check out maplemotors.com. I have financing and shipping available. There's like a about me section on our website. Tells you everything about us. We are a family business, over 38 years. And this is all we've ever sold. We get these cars in, clean them up, tell you what's wrong with them, and sell them. We don't fix stuff here. If it's got slack in the steering, I'll do the test drive video and I'll tell you about it. If it's got brake issues, I'll tell you about it. That's the whole reason we make these videos. In this video, we're gonna walk around the car lot and of course point out all the new stuff. So let's get started here. As you can see, everything's sitting out front that we got availables. Coming right up on this Impala convertible, 1966, 26.9 on this one. This one is on hold at the moment. Hold does not mean sold. That just gives somebody at least a week or so to get us the rest of the money. So this is a 1969 Chevelle. I'll have the video out today. I've already made the video on this one, and it's 23.9. It does have SS emblems, big block, you know, stuff on the side. This is a small block car. Runs and drives good. More on the dependable side. But definitely check out that video. This one here is a really nice 1972 Le Mans. Probably one of the best drivers on the car lot right now. This thing runs and drives awesome. 17.9. I was very impressed with the test drive, and I've already got the videos done, so be sure to be looking for those. This one right here is a 1971 Chevelle. Just got it in and it's already sold. It didn't last but about a day. Right next to that, it's a 68 True SS Chevelle. This one's 39.9. I have to make the videos right after this one, so I'll be doing the test drive as soon as we get done with the walk around here. This one here, I got a guy that's supposed to be coming back today to buy it, but it was a 1949 coupe and it was 17.9. That's actually Pops' first car. He was telling me that's the one that he was driving back when he first started to learn. This one right here is a 1974 Maverick. Just picked it up. I want to definitely do the test drive on it today. This thing is sweet, and it is 11.9. All right, I'm gonna have to skip over this corner. We're gonna have to come back to it. As you can see, everybody's gathered over there. I guess I'll run over to this section and show you what I got here. There's a lot of new cars in that corner. That's why everybody's over there. Lots of Mustangs and stuff that we just got. And they know that we update on Mondays, so they were sitting here in the parking lot like 8, 9 o'clock this morning, about an hour before we opened. This is a 1966 Impala 27.9. The videos are up and ready for you to check out if you're interested in this ride. This one here is a new addition to the car lot. This is a Plymouth Fury. It's a 1966 model. I have not made the videos yet, but I will hopefully today. I plan on getting at least 4 test drives done. We've also got 13.9 on the windshield. Looks nice and clean inside. This is a 1967 Corvette, 25.9. It's got the hold on it. It's not sold yet. 1967 Chevelle. This one is sold. Got to wipe the hold off. We had it for $29,900. This is a 1960 Bel Air. It is available. It's a 4-door car with a patina paint job, Riddler wheels, disc brakes, $15,900. So we got a big sold section here. I believe this one's sold too, isn't it, Jason?
Yeah, both 57s.
Both 57s are sold. Working our way around here. This was a 57 that we had last week along with this one. This one's $29,900. That one was $27,900, I believe. This one here is Jason's, I believe it was a 49 Chevrolet. It was $24,900. It's got a fuel injected V6 motor in it. He drives it all the time. This is my uncle's truck, one of the personal ones. This thing's really sweet. I think it's got sound system and everything in it. I do have the video out for this, so check it out. You can see his sunglasses still in the visor. Oh, you're good. Thing's pretty wild. I really want to shoot up this side. I don't know what's going on. Old showroom. I'm pretty sure everything is sold in the showroom at the moment. This Mustang is probably still available. Everything else is sold in here. That's why I didn't bring you in here last week. This is the only thing we got available in here. It's a 1966 Mustang convertible for $31,900. I love this from the back. So cool. I can show you some of this old stuff while I'm waiting on the lot to clear out there. This is Jason's personal ride. He hasn't even posted it for sale. I don't think he's going to. That's another one of his personals. He's always leaving his cars up here, ain't he? He's been working on that for as long as I've been alive, I think. That's a 1967 Mustang Fastback. We sold it $65,900 is, I believe, was what we got out of it. The one over there is Pops's, and this old truck is sold as well. Like I said, everything in here is sold. I'm gonna let this lot clear out a little bit, and I'll be right back with you guys. While we're waiting, we jumped into the Hot Wheel room. We've got everything in here categorized, car culture. Those are all priced. This is Redline Car Clubs. These are movie cars over here. Got some more of the expensive ones in the chest here. And you can check it out. This is part of Pops' Hot Wheel collection. He's been doing it as long as I've been alive as well. So be sure, if you're interested, when you come here, ask for Pops, talk to him, and he can take you over here to check out the Hot Wheels room. He'd be more than happy to. It's crazy. I think he enjoys this more than the real cars out front. But he's got a little bit of both, so. Definitely check out his YouTube channel here. Jim Fights Hot Wheels. I'll put a link in the video, and I'll put it down in the description. That way it's easy to find. Let's get back to the real cars. All right. Okay, we're still waiting. Seems like there's more people up there now. But this is a 1966 Corvette sitting here. This one's got side pipes on it. $34,900 on the windshield. It is available. You check it out. And guys, if you see stuff in the background, it's not available. Majority of this stuff back here is sold, so I'm showing you all the stuff that is available at the moment. We do have a modern truck sitting here. This one's $12,900. I think it was an 08 Tahoe 4x4. Good tires, good interior. I mean, a pretty sharp truck all the way around. Clean title, so we'll have it on the website. Eventually do a test drive with stuff like this. I mean, it runs and drives good, no check engine lights. And then this one here is Pat's personal truck he decided to sell. It's a 1970 C10 pickup, $24,900, two-tone paint job. Was disc brakes in the front, drum in the rear, Boss 338 wheels. Pretty cool. It's even got pinstriping around it. Yeah, like I said, you see stuff in the background. It's probably already sold, so don't call about anything that I don't tell you about. All right, I'll give it a little bit more time, and we'll make our way up front. Okay, we're just gonna run through. Let me get this video done. Hopefully you can do this smoothly here. This one's a 1986 Monte Carlo SS. It's got a hold on it. Hold doesn't mean sold, but 15.9 on this one with the cowl hood. Right next to that, 1976 Camaro, 14.9 on this one. I believe this one's already sold for these gentlemen. 1971 Camaro. Just picked this up. Videos will be done today. 1975 Trans Am, 17.9.
Yeah, because that tells you right there. Something's heating up and yeah.
Of course, right next to that, this video is coming out today. 1965 Mustang Fastback. Got a 5-speed transmission. 36.9 on this one. This one was just picked up. I haven't been able to do the video on it yet, but it's 17.9. Got a couple out here looking at it right now, so we're gonna check it out. Let's see if they're interested. Right next to that, 1967 Mustang convertible. I'll have the videos out today. They're already done on this one. 24.9. Okay. One more time, I'm gonna walk around the lot, make sure I didn't miss anything. Like I said, check out maplemotors.com for finance and shipping. Wheels, tires, parts, accessories are available. And all of our inventory is updated every Monday. This pollen has really gotten to us. It was sprinkling the other day, I think yesterday morning, and it has made these cars so nasty. But it's supposed to pour down rain here in a little bit, so if I wash them, they just get dirty again from this Tennessee pollen. I'm sure y'all have heard about it. 1966 Impala sitting here. The old Plymouth Fury. 66, I believe. That was 67 Coronet. And also a 67 Chevelle. And 60 model Bel Air. El Patina. I'm surprised we still have this. This car runs and drives good. Just got that patina paint job. And what's crazy is it's still got a shimmer to it, like a shine. Big sold section. Sit back up on the front row where there's less people. We'll start with the Maverick, head on down. I'm excited to drive this car. I really like it. I like how the seats have the maps in them. It's different. And I know it's gonna run and drive good. This will be second on my list today. We'll do the yellow SS Chevelle and then this one next. And hopefully I'll have those videos done for you tomorrow. This one's 11.9. I need to call my guy on this one, make sure this one's sold. But it's 17.9 right now and he hasn't bought it at the moment, so we'll go outside, give him a call. It's a 1949 Ford Custom. This is the Chevelle that I'm doing first. True SS, 39.9. And it was a 68 model. Of course, we've already sold this one. This Le Mans, absolutely awesome. Running and driving wise, 17.9, 1972 model.
Yeah, give me more. I got another customer here. We're just short-handed, so give me a second. I'll be with you.
Of course, we got this Chevelle. These people are looking at. You've already seen it in the initial walk around. And then the 1966 Impala convertible sitting here, 26.9. All right, guys. Guess I might have to run in here. We got some employees walking in. Give us a little bit more help. I'm gonna get back to work, get these videos uploading. kind of cruise by these, because this is a big section of new cars over here, with the 3 Mustangs sitting up front, the Trans Am, and the 2 Camaros. All right. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit subscribe. I'm gonna try to post stuff like this all the time, every Monday for sure. You can see new cars at maplemotors.com every Monday. And if you hit share and like, that helps me out quite a bit. Also, don't forget, if you like the music, that's me and my band, Southgate Production. If you like the Hot Wheels, that's Jim Fight's Hot Wheels channel. I made them so they're separate from this one. And thanks again for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. See you later.
Friday night, leaving now. Wake her up, let's go.